What if, one day, the most mysterious object in the universe came for us? A black hole. A cosmic monster so dense that not even light can escape. It sounds like science fiction, but black holes are real, and they're out there, roaming our galaxy. But what would happen if one ever came too close to Earth? Could we survive, or would we be torn apart, atom by atom? Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate cosmic showdown. Black hole versus Earth. To understand what would happen, first we need to know what a black hole really is. A black hole forms when a massive star, at least 3 times the mass of our Sun, runs out of fuel. Its core collapses under its own gravity, creating a region so dense, so powerful, that it bends space and time itself. This invisible boundary around it is called the event horizon. Once you cross it, you can never return. Even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can't escape. Imagine space like a stretched fabric. A black hole doesn't just dent it, it tears a hole through it. Its gravity is so extreme, it warps everything around it. Right now, the closest known black hole is about 1,500 light-years away in a system called Gaia BH1. That's extremely far, no danger to us. But our Milky Way alone is home to millions of black holes wandering silently through the galaxy. Some are massive, like Sagittarius A star at the center of our galaxy, 4 million times heavier than the Sun. Others are much smaller, the remains of dead stars. So yes, black holes are real. They're just quiet hunters. Let's imagine a small black hole about the mass of the Sun suddenly drifts toward our solar system. It doesn't have to hit us directly. Even from billions of kilometers away, its gravity could start causing chaos. First, it would pull on the outer planets. Neptune's orbit would shift. Then, Uranus and Saturn would feel the tug. Their perfect dance around the Sun would begin to twist. And then, the black hole would reach Jupiter. Jupiter's massive gravity acts like a shield for the inner planets. But against the black hole, even Jupiter wouldn't stand a chance. The black hole could rip it apart, turning it into a glowing spiral of gas. As the black hole gets closer, Earth's orbit would become unstable. We might get flung into deep space, freezing in eternal darkness. Or we might spiral inward, drawn toward the monster. If it passed nearby, tidal forces would stretch the planet. Oceans would rise thousands of meters high, the crust would crack open, and molten lava would spill across the surface. Earthquakes, tsunamis, and storms beyond imagination. But if we got too close, we'd experience something called Spaghettification. That's right. Gravity near a black hole is so strong that it stretches objects into long, thin shapes. Like spaghetti. If you fell toward one, your feet would feel stronger gravity than your head, and you'd be pulled apart instantly. In the final moments, Earth itself would be torn apart, its remains swirling around the black hole in a disk of glowing dust. A cosmic graveyard, marking where our home once was. But if humanity knew it was coming, could we escape? We already dream of colonizing Mars or building giant ships to travel between stars. But escaping a black hole's gravitational field would require unimaginable energy and time we might not have. The only hope would be to leave early, long before it reached our solar system. To do that, we'd need faster-than-light propulsion, something beyond our current science. Still, in theory, humans could survive by colonizing other star systems. Black holes are not just destroyers, they're teachers. By studying them, scientists learn how gravity works at its most extreme. They help us understand time, matter, and even how the universe began. Some theories suggest that black holes could be gateways leading to other universes or new dimensions. Others believe that at the center of every black hole lies the secret to creation itself, the same forces that might have sparked the Big Bang. So, in a strange way, black holes represent both the end and the beginning of everything. If a black hole ever came for Earth, it would mark our final chapter. But perhaps, somewhere else in the universe, another world would rise, built from the atoms that were once part of us. That's the paradox of the cosmos. From destruction comes creation, from death comes rebirth. We might fear the darkness of black holes, but maybe they are the universe's way of beginning again. If you want to discover more about the secrets of black holes, like how they form, grow, and possibly connect to other dimensions, watch our full playlist on the universe and space mysteries, linked below. And don't forget, subscribe to Versa Vista for more journeys through space, science, and beyond.